Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. So a couple of days ago I did my Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing and I decided that January 2023 is the last monthly subscription I want because I decided to switch to Glossybox. So this year, each month I will be opening everything I have received from my Glossybox. And for the month of January we have this pretty coloured box. Oh, I forgot to mention, similar to Look Fantastic, we have a QR code on a card which says scan me, so let's scan it. So similar to Look Fantastic box, it comes with a digital copy of the magazine. So we have the editor's note, the products we receive and other information. So let's begin by reading the editor's note, and it says, Happy New Year Glossies! As a fresh start begins, we can't wait to share this new journey with you. It's time to enable a new side of you and experiment with fresh looks, new colours and upcoming trends. This January edit boasting a special jewel design box offers beautifully selected products for you to renew your beauty regime and start new year off right. Release your adventurous side and look beyond your horizons with brands such as 111 Skin and Be Your Paradox to level up your skincare game and start 2023 with a difference. Love Team Glossy. And then it also tells us what the story behind this month's box is, and it says New Horizon. So it says New Horizon, it's time to discover a new side of yourself and look beyond your beauty horizon. This special design January box will provide an exciting challenge to start year 2023 journey. Be daring and get inspired with the luxurious textures and be sure to try something new. We are here to inspire new looks and routines and ensure you begin your new year with a smile. On the website it states that the Glossybox is worth £66. So let's begin unboxing. These are all the products I have received this month. The first product I have received is this 111 Skin Depuffing Eye Mask, which is worth £12. So this is supposed to mimic cryotherapy and it has cooling hydrogel base which aims to depuff and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Next we have the We Are Paradox Detox Hair Mask. So the main ingredients in this hair mask is coconut and peppermint, and you just apply it like a regular hair mask, apply into your hair 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off with shampoo. Then we have the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser for normal to dry sensitive skin. I recall having this in the last year's Look Fantastic beauty box and I absolutely love this cleanser because I use it on a daily basis. So another good one, and I love the size on this. Then we have the Grace and Stella Exfoliating Dermaplaning Tool, which is worth £20. For those that don't know, this is what a dermaplaner looks like. So you have a little lid which you take it off and it's supposed to mimic a razor, except for it has little indents. This is like a razor for the face and for your eyebrows, so if you want to do a little bit of shaping you can use this, and it's recommended that you use it in like a 45-degree, pull the skin like you would and then go in a downwards motion. It's great to get rid of any peach fuzz with this. Finally we have the Wonder 2 Essential Lip Scrub, which is worth £17.95. So when you open it up, this is what the lip scrub looks like. It looks like a pencil type lipstick or crayon even. This is a bit like the Paw Patrol lip mask. It has that grainy texture and will exfoliate your lips. So guys, this brings me to the end of my Glossybox unboxing. I hope you found it useful. On the website it says that the box is worth over £66 and I've just recalculated this and I come to a sum of £66.45. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful and hopefully I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. Take care and I shall see you guys soon. Bye!